For several years, I've been concerned about the safety of the people and the place. And I've been asking the government and the ASI to take better care of the Basilica, that there is more security checks and things like that. There are many incidences that have been taking place all over the world, and so we need to protect any place and monument, and especially where people are gathering a lot. So finally they said, let us do this time, but I just do not want it only at that time, I want it at all time. There are people who are very devout and they come very well, but among them there could be people who are differently oriented, and we need to examine some of them. And that's the reason why there are these advisories and directives given, which I myself wanted them. Now they are implementing this. So baggages are not allowed in the Basilica. Besides, if those who come will be also checked, there'll be scanners and friskers, and as well as the other machines, so that there is safety. When you come, there is also need of checking one's identity so that we can immediately take measures. So that's the reason why these few things have taken place, and they will be implemented not only during the Novena and feasts, but throughout the year, so that there is more protection for everybody, for the persons, as I said, for the Basilica, and for everyone's well-being. Thank you very much.